Hello everyone and welcome to another video. On our last video, we explained the basics of quadratic equations with parameters, and in this video, we're going to be looking at more challenging examples of quadratic equations that have parameters inside them. Let's get started. Last video, we mentioned that k is our unknown constant. Let's apply this to an example. The example is x squared plus k minus 2x plus k plus 1 equals to 0. Here we have compound values for our a, b, and c. Our a is 1, our b, however, is k minus 2, and our c is k plus 1. As this is a constant, so it is a number, so k plus 1 will be a number, and that will be our c. Our task is to determine the values of k, which result in 2 real solutions, 1 real solution, and no solution, which we know we can do by using our discriminant. Let's write down our discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. So, what is our discriminant for this equation? It is going to be b squared, k minus 2 squared, minus 4 times a times 1 times c, k plus 1. And there you have it, that is our discriminant. Let's start with our first case. Case 1, discriminant is bigger than 0, 2 real solutions. Let's say k minus 2 squared minus 4 times k plus 1 is bigger than 0. Now let's simplify this. K squared minus 2 times k times 2 minus 4k plus 4 minus 4k minus 4 is bigger than 0. K squared minus 4k minus 4k minus 8k plus 4 minus 4, 0 is bigger than 0. And now we simply find that we can factorize x and say k times k minus 8 is bigger than 0. So now we have two solutions for k. The first one is 1 is equal to 0 or the other one is equal to 0. So, well, bigger than 0. K is smaller than 0, as this would be a negative number passing to the other side, so we have to flip the sign, or k is bigger than 8. These are two solutions for k that will give two real solutions. For our second case scenario, case 2, we have discriminant equal to 0, 1 repeated solution. Let's solve this one then. K minus 2 squared minus 4k plus 1 is equal to 0. K squared minus 4k plus 4 minus 4k minus 4 is equal to 0. K squared minus 4k minus 4k minus 8k plus 4 minus 4, 0 is equal to 0. So k, as we had before, times k minus 8 is equal to 0. And then this gives us that k is either equal to 0 or k is equal to 8. So, for these two values of k, the x will give only one solution. And that's how you analyze and solve a quadratic equation with a parameter in the coefficient of x. It's all about understanding the discriminant and how it controls the number of solutions. Try this with other values of k and equations. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Let's look at the final case. Case 3. discriminant. Smaller than 0, no solution. K minus 2 squared, we did the same thing as we did before. K plus 1, this will be k squared minus 4k plus 4 minus 4k. Sorry. Minus 4 is equal to 0, is smaller than 0, so k squared minus 8k smaller than 0. And it is basically the same answer that we had in k1, but inverted. K minus 8 smaller than 0, so k is either bigger than 0 or k is smaller than 8. And these values of k will give us no solution for the equation and for x.